Hi, I'm the Samsung Galaxy Classic Watch, and I'm the Samsung Watch 6. And we're brothers and sisters, and we love each other. Oh, my bad. Hi, I'm Sherri Smith, and I'm having fun with watches. I'm at the Samsung Unpacked activation space, and we're going to talk about these two watches. So on this hand, I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, and here I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic. So obviously there's some differences here. So the Classic is actually made of stainless steel, while the Watch 6 is made from armor aluminum. Both displays are made of sapphire glass, so very durable, very strong. So in the event that you fall like me, because I am a klutz, you will not be mourning for your watch. Both screens should be okay. In terms of the screen, so for the Classic, you can get up to, like as you can see, this big boy, 47 millimeter or 43 millimeters. For the Watch 6, you can do 44 or 40. With the displays for the Class, well, actually both of them, if you get the larger size, will do 480 by 480, and the smaller ones will do 432 by 42 resolution. Super AMOLED, always on, full color displays, and as you can see, they're very vibrant and give you a little taste of that Watch OS going on with the One UI 5. So like I see I'm playing in WhatsApp, all things soccer, and I actually just like this watch face. I just want to play with this. So as you can see, all the things that you're going to need if you're looking to lose weight or just work out, walking, cycling, running. In terms of sensors, you're going to get the Samsung Bio sensor, so you get your heart monitor, your stress monitor, all of those things that you would expect from a modern smartwatch. No pricing as of yet. I can tell you that it is running on Samsung's 1.5 gigahertz Exynos W930 CPU, and it will have 2 gigs of RAM. Both watches at this point will have 2 gigs of RAM with 16 gigs of onboard storage. So for pricing and more information on the Watch Classic and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, stay tuned to Laptop Mag. I am Sherri Smith, editor-in-chief, and come back and see us sometime.